Hello and welcome to Good at Voice with the Tara Sampson Voice Studio. I'm Tara Sampson and today I have a quick rundown for you of how to do a lip trill. These are also known as lip flutter or even bubbles. So let's talk about music. My friends, a lip trill is a very common vocal exercise that's great for vocal flexibility, expanding your range, and engaging your breath support. I personally love these because you really can't cheat your breathing. You must have a strong, full, supportive foundation of breath or the sound simply won't happen. So to start, we are going to inhale a low, full, deep belly breath, moving the chest and shoulders very little. So for example, it should look something like my shoulders and chest don't have too much movement going on. Let's try together. Good. Now you're going to do the same inhale and exhale sharply through a straw shape. Good. Let's repeat this 3 times. Excellent. Now that you have a feel for a full inhale and a strong exhale, let's add in the next step. Now, in the long term, you're going to want to make sure those exhales end up really consistent and controlled. But for now, in order to get the feeling, it's okay to use that strong, forceful exhale. I like to think of this next step as your best impression of a horse. Inhale deeply and exhale, allowing the facial muscles to relax and the lips to get a little bit of movement. It'll look something like this. Good. Let's try this together 3 times. Inhale. Awesome. The next step is to add some pitch. I like to think of this part as just a sigh with, again, that same movement of the lips we found in our horse impression. It'll look something like this. Good. Repeat this with me 3 times. Awesome. Finally, we are going to add some pitch in a warm-up pattern, as you may have seen or heard in some of my other videos. This is the same pattern a lot of people use for humming. But we're just going to add in a lip trill instead of the hum. It'll look like this. Try that with me 3 times. If you need to, add in that forceful exhale just to get the feel of how to get the lips moving. Good. That forceful onset, like I said, is great for getting the feel of it and finding how to engage that breath support in order to get the lips moving. But in the long run, you're going to want to figure out how to gently get those lips moving using a strong foundation of breath. These exercises will help you do that. Hopefully you have the hang of it. So I'm going to sing through a quick set of lip trills and you're welcome to sing along. We'll start right where we just stopped with our exercise. So there you have it. Lip trills come naturally to some and prove challenging to others. Either way, I encourage you to use these in your warm-up routines as a way to gently and safely wake up and stretch the voice. If these are particularly tricky for you, please come back to this video and continue to work through the step-by-step process as much as you need. Eventually, you will want that exhale to become more controlled and consistent, but that strong exhale can certainly help when you're first trying to get the feel for the sound. All right, my friends, that's all for today. Please leave any questions, comments, or concerns in the comment section down below, and keep singing.